Hi Joe, well, tomorrow's your big day. Are you feeling confident?
A little bit, but I don't know. I don't know, I feel like I'm going to make like a stupid mistake, or I don't know.
Well, how about your mirrors and observation? You happy with that?
Yeah, I just hope I make it obvious enough.
Yeah, I'm sure you'll be fine. Now, you've had the lessons, you've had the preparation, and we're going to nail it, correct?
Yeah,
Great.
I'm going to nail it.
Watch this space, guys. Driving test tomorrow. Woo! Hi everyone, it's a lovely day and I've been a bit cheeky here. I've made a video well before my son takes his driving test. Now, it's always good for the instructor, teacher to be positive and confident when pupils take tests. But I've always said this, nothing's 100%, nothing's guaranteed. Anything can happen. Nervous pupil, inexperienced driver, who knows? But I'm posting this now. He is going to nail it today. Good luck, son, and watch this space.
Nailed it, thank you. Thank you, Dad.
The stress you caused me, mate.
Yeah.
Hi folks, this is my son Joe. Believe it or not, he's just passed his driving test first time, couple of minors, I'll take that. And he's going to give you a few tips now.
Am I?
Well, yeah. What are the most important things when you drive?
Oh God, I can't remember now.
What am I always telling you?
Oh, observation.
Observation, mirrors, what else?
I can't remember.
He's a bit, yeah, okay.
Mate, I'm too shook.
Tell everyone about, when you take a test, wear clothes that are comfortable rather than fashionable.
Yeah.
Now, mention about your boots, go on.
Yeah, look, I'm wearing these steel toe caps because I drive better in them. I don't know how, but yeah, just
Yeah.
wear them.
He drives better in the boots, so bear that in mind, everyone. If you're going on test, don't change your shoes, particularly for a test. Wear things you're used to and be comfortable. It's not a fashion show, and I'm sure you'll be successful. Congratulations, Joe.
Cheers, mate.
Well done. Good lad. Whew, I'll send you the bill.